Greetings! I present the Rekian Systems 3D production module. Trigger audio input. Today I'll show you an interface of a trigger function. There are two types of triggers in the application, a simple one that allows full-screen media display and an advanced one. The advanced mode has been prepared to allow you to program in an easy way a list of functions available in the application. After pressing a single button, the application executes one function after another. This episode will be dedicated to advanced triggers concerning audio input. We open the menu Options and Configuration. A configuration window opens with 10 trigger buttons. When we activate one trigger, F1 for example, we cannot use the others in the same time. Trigger's operation will be terminated after pressing the button or automatically after performing the functions. Let's choose the first one, F1. From the mode selection list of the right, we will choose Advanced. An empty list appears to which we can add the application's functions one by one. An Add button is located above the list. When we press it, we will see the functions available in the application. We choose Audio Input Mute. This function is used to completely mute a given audio input on the mixer. After adding this function, it will be placed on the first position of the list. It will be executed first. The settings parameters of a given function will be displayed on the right. Input type and Enable/Disable option. With the use of a trigger, we would like to mute the sound to camera 1 input. From the list, we choose camera 1. We check the option below to enable it. I will show you how to use it in the production module. We call upon the trigger by pressing F1 key on the VK100 or on the computer keyboard. The trigger started its operation. After performing the function, it was terminated automatically. A mute option has been enabled at the sound mixer's camera 1 input. We can add many functions into the trigger bank and combine them together. We go to the menu Options and Configuration. We will add another function with Add button. This will be Audio Input Mute. In the configuration panel, we choose another input, camera 1 for example. We check Mute option enabled. Let's add this function once again. We choose camera 3 from the list. Mute option enabled. When we call upon the trigger, the first function will be executed first. When it is completed, the next one will start. The F button will be illuminated for the duration of all the functions within one set and then will be automatically turned off. Let's see our example in the production module. We press F1 key on the keyboard. The trigger started to operate at a fast pace by muting the programmed audio channels camera 1 and 2 and camera 3. Most often a duration of these functions execution is so short that the button on the keyboard lights up only for a moment. The most popular application is to program F1 key to mute the input data and F2 key to release it. In this way, we can use two trigger keys to control the sound mixer's state. We select F2 as an advanced trigger. Let's add audio input function once again. We choose camera 1, but we leave Mute option below unchecked. We also change the state for camera 2. And we also leave its Mute option unchecked. As the last one, camera 3 with the same parameters. Let's first call upon F1 trigger. Audio inputs are muted. Now F2 key unchecks mute options. I will show you another trigger function. We go to menu Options and Configuration. We choose F3 button. We select an advanced mode. I will add audio input solo function, which is used to set solely a chosen audio channel as active as audible on the output. As an example, In the sound mixer, I will choose only Media 1 channel. Below, I will check Solo option enabled. The same with F4 button and Advanced mode. I add Audio Input Solo function to the list. I choose also Media 1 audio channel from the list. Below, I leave Solo option unchecked. I will now use F3 key in the production module. In Media 1 channel section of the sound mixer, Solo option will become checked. After pressing F4 key, Solo option will become unchecked for this audio channel. Again, all the inputs are active. I will describe you another function. We go to Menu Options and Configuration. We will add it to F5 trigger key. Each time we choose an Advanced mode. I choose Audio Input Volume function from the list. It is used to set a specific value of a volume slider. We select an audio channel. For example, a slider for analog input line in 1 on the previous panel. I want to set the volume level to 10 decibels. Below, under the same button, I will add the same audio input volume function. I select line in 2 input. I want to set the volume level to 20 decibels. I will use F5 key. Trigger's execution automatically sets 2 volume sliders to the preset values of 10 and 20 decibels. Functions within a single trigger set can be freely combined with each other. To F6 key and Advanced trigger, we add the following functions. Audio input mute, we then mute line in 1 input. Below, I add Audio Input Solo function, only a single audio channel is audible. I choose Media 1 tray and check Solo option enabled. Another function, Audio Input Volume. I choose Media 1 audio channel and the slider's value of 5 decibels. Each function can be checked individually. We select the first one in the list. We press the button Test Command. At this point, the window is inactive. Line in 1 input has been muted on the sound mixer. We press Test Command button once again. Sound mixer has returned to its previous state. In this way, we have tested the function's operation. If we press Run macro, we will trigger all the functions sequentially. Line in 1 input has been muted. Media 1 input Solo option has been enabled. And sound level for this channel has been set with a slider to 5 decibels. Thank you.
Wrecking. Keen on record.